How to use Google Ads. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to ads.google.com. Here you want to sign up into your account. Now, Google Ads is basically a bid-based online advertising platform that includes text format, search engine ads, video ads, banner ads, and much more. Here on this page, you have the overview section where you can find the details about your campaign. Next, you have recommendations where it recommends you the necessary action such as setting up a campaign or finishing your payment method. You also have other options such as insights, report editor, dashboards, campaign, experiments, and much more. On the left hand side navigation panel, you have the campaigns option. Then you have goals that includes conversion and measurement. There's also tools where there are lots of different options such as planning, shared library, content suitability, and much more. Then you also have the billing where you can set up your payment method. And finally, you have admin where you have all the access to your admin settings. Now you can click on the plus icon to start creating a campaign. All you have to do now is enter information about your business, such as your business name and also your website. After that, you will have to select your objective of the campaign. Google Ads is going to recommend you some plans. You can choose whichever you want. Then, according to that plan, you can set up your campaign, which includes setting up a budget, date and time, and also creating ads for your campaign. Once all of that is done, you can create your campaign. Once your campaign is live, Google Ads provides detailed analytics to track your campaign's performance. You can monitor metrics like clicks, impressions, conversions, and much more. You can use this data to refine your campaign over time, and this is how you can use Google Ads. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.